Let's make a salted cream cheese foam that's perfect for adding a savoury sweet twist to cold brew tea, boba, and coffee. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make cheese tea. First, mix together cream cheese, milk, and sugar. You can reduce or increase the sugar to your taste. Once it's done, set this aside. Then, in another bowl, whisk your whipping cream until soft peaks form. If you want a thicker consistency, you can continue to whisk until medium peaks form. Now, add your cream cheese mix into your whipped cream and gently fold together. Make sure to add a pinch of salt at this stage to enhance the flavour. Once it's well combined, you're ready to use it on some drinks. Try iced black coffee topped with some cream cheese foam. Or make a drinkable cheesecake by adding boba, ice, Earl Grey milk tea, cheese foam, and crushed digestive biscuits on top. Or transform your brewed jasmine tea into a Moorish cheese tea with a salted cheese foam with a bit of matcha powder on top. Let us know in the comments below what drinks did you add our easy salted cream cheese foam to, and see you next time.